Dry lips. So before moving on to the treatment, it is very important to know what is the cause of your dry lips. A very common cause is changes in the weather. During cold weather, during dry winds, or when you are exposed to sun for a long duration of time, the lips become dehydrated, they become dry and chapped. Some people have a habit of licking the lips or biting the lips or picking on the lips regularly. Here they tend to damage their lips. Also, there are some medications or there are some vitamin deficiencies which can lead to dry and chapped lips. A very common cause again is allergies. Allergies to what? What we apply on the lips is commonly lipsticks or toothpaste. So these things might contain some ingredients which are irritating your lips. So whenever you have switched to a new lipstick or a new toothpaste and you get some irritation or stinging sensation or burning sensation on the lips, please discontinue it so that your lips don't get damaged. People who drink very less of water, dehydration, might be because of less intake of water, or it might be because of some diseases. These things can lead to dry and chapped lips. Now, some people have a habit of breathing through the mouth while sleeping. So this might not be caught so easily. So this thing also has to be looked into. This can lead to dryness of the lips, again damage to the lips. So now coming onto the treatment, the most important thing is keep yourself hydrated. Drink lots of water to keep your skin, your lips, and your body hydrated. Moisturize your lips regularly. Choose a good lip balm which contains ceramides and dimethicone, which can repair the lip barrier, which contains petrolatum even, so that it forms a good barrier and keeps the moisture of your lips locked. So regularly moisturize your lips. Apply the lip balms many times in a day, especially before going to the bed as well. Also drink lots of water. Other than this, avoid the habit of licking or picking or biting on the lips. Another thing is choose your lipsticks, lip products, lipsticks, or lip balms or toothpaste judiciously. Always look for labels like hypoallergenic or fragrance free for these products. If still your problem does not get corrected, see your dermatologist so that he or she can find out the cause and treat the concern accordingly. Thank you.